Okay, good morning. So today I have one very important tip to give you, and that is if you are invested in precious metals or in precious metals and mining stocks, I want to encourage you to stay the course. So many of us have money invested in different types of investments, and for those of you who own precious metals or who own mining stocks, you've seen a correction recently. You've seen a decline in the prices. Now, it hasn't been as bad as some other sectors of the market, like some of these technology stocks, cryptocurrencies, even some of these high-yield bonds have gone down a lot more. But there have been some corrections in precious metals too. I want to encourage you to stay the course. Don't let those declines shake you out of the market, wash you out of the market, make you get fearful, want to sell, because we're our own biggest enemies, our own biggest obstacles when it comes to investing. And the reason why is because there is a lot of upside potential when it comes to the precious metals sector right now. And the reason why is because of the big picture. Yesterday, our Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, had an interview in which he expressed regret over the fact that the Federal Reserve, our central bank, didn't raise interest rates sooner. You know, they said, we thought inflation was transitory, we thought that it was temporary last year, and we should have raised rates sooner in order to control it, and now we're having to play catch up. Well, there's a bit of a dishonesty in the statement, and that is that if you're regretting that you didn't raise interest rates earlier, why don't you raise them right now? They're going very, very slowly even now. Interest rates are not even at 1%. We're talking about those short-term federal funds rates that they have direct influence over. They're still at like 1%, and we have a greater than 8% inflation rate. If you're really regretting not raising rates in the past, raise them up higher now. But they won't do that. And the reason why is because they can only talk about it. They can't actually raise rates, otherwise it will cause our economy to collapse. And the reason that they can't do this is because they're politicians, right? They'll talk one way, but then they'll act in another way. And what we need to do is we need to be prepared for all this tough talk to change in the near future. As the economy continues to slip into a recession, they're going to reverse course. And when that happens, there's going to be a major change in the precious metals market. Hang on to your investments. Remember that this correction is washing out the weak hands. Maintain the course, stay the course, and you're going to be very well rewarded for that. Please post a question or a comment. Send me a private message if you want to talk about it privately. I always enjoy reading your comments. And until next time, I wish you unlimited success.